And the IFTA goes to Waterways.
Oh, I'm lost for words. Thank you very much. I wasn't expecting that at all. It was 21 years ago Dick Warner and myself started off on our first journey on Waterways, and what an exciting adventure that was. So it was a great pleasure when we got RTE and the BAI to support our new series Waterways down the Royal Canal, which was, the restoration was finished in October 2010. So I'd like to thank the crew I had, Peter Robinson for his wonderful photography, Brendan Campbell for his sound, our editors Jim Duggan, James Dalton and Derek Holland, Ronan Hardyman for his absolutely majestic music, and of course Dick Warner for his magic scripts, and my good friend Larry Masterson for all his support. Thank you very much indeed for this award. Thank you.